and in 2025, this year of the snake is really good for you. You will have a lot of good luck in this year. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you are born the following year, your zodiac is a wedge, which is 1936, 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, and 2008. So if you are born in those years, your zodiac is a wedge, and in 2025, this year of the snake is really good for you. You will have a lot of good luck in this year. And this year, you have 4 auspicious stars shining, helping you, which is the 玉堂, 龍德, 紫微, and 暗合太歲. All of them will bring you like unexpected good luck, and good people will show up and surrounding you. Let's say if you are work for somebody, this year is a good year for you to further your business. Maybe you will have a chance to get some promotion or have some challenge, but you will success. And it's good for you also to like extend your professional, to be more professional in your business. If you want to start your business, this year, 2025, is also a good year for you to consider. But the main issue is you need to have a solid project to consider, then you will be successful. And if you already a boss, and in 2025 is a good year for you to expand your business. Maybe you will have a new investor or new business project will show up. So in general, 2025 is a good year for you. Okay, in terms of the investment luck, 2025 is also a good year for you to do that. So you can be more aggressive in 2025. But the issue is you need to watch out the market closely. Then you will be successful. And you can also consider those like a high-end, high-tech investment. Then you have maybe have some unexpected result. And also for the health issue, there only be a little health problem, but shouldn't be anything important, because this year you have 2 bad stars, which is shining, which is the Boba and Tinga. You will create some a minor health concern, but shouldn't be a big issue. Okay, in terms of the love energy is pretty strong this year, so you can enjoy it. And if you want to further boost your luck, you need to find the Zodiac Ox, which is good for you personally. And you can also find Zodiac Dragon and Monkey. They're good for you for business. And stay away from the Zodiac Horse, Rabbit, and Goat, and use more your a lucky timing, which is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So anything important, you can schedule on those lucky timing to do that. You will have a better luck. And stay away from those bad luck timing, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. That would be good. And I wish you good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.